Does your PC say this PC can't run Windows 11? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to install Windows 11 on an unsupported PC in 2026. This method bypasses TPM 2.0, secure boot, and CPU requirements, allowing Windows 11 to install on older PCs. First step, download Windows 11 ISO. Open any web browser that is on your computer. Search this and then press enter. Open the first website. Follow the video to download the ISO. Save it to your PC. Next step, download Rufus. Up here, click to add another tab. Click to search Rufus. Open this website. Download the latest version. After having all these two files downloaded, next, insert an 8GB or larger USB flash drive. But please, take a note, all files will be erased. Now launch Rufus. Select your USB drive. Then Windows 11 ISO. Move down and click Start. Rufus will display Windows 11 customization options. Check Remove TPM 2.0 requirement. Remove Secure Boot requirement. Remove RAM requirement. Then click OK. Wait until Rufus finishes. Now, boot from the USB, follow the Windows setup process normally. Windows 11 should install successfully, even on unsupported hardware. If your PC has an SSD, Windows 11 performance will be much better than on a traditional HDD. If this video helped you install Windows 11 on an unsupported PC, don't forget to like and subscribe to IT Next for tech videos.